Before we even open a seed packet, let's slow down and talk about choosing what to grow, because this one decision shapes everything that follows. The first thing to understand is the split between two types of tomatoes, determinate and indeterminate. Determinate varieties grow to a fixed size, or when you want a big batch of tomatoes all at once for sauce or canning. Indeterminate varieties are the opposite. They keep growing and producing right up until frost, often reaching well over 6 feet tall. They need sturdy support and a little pruning, but they reward you with a steady trickle of tomatoes all summer long. Most of those classic slicing tomatoes you picture in a sandwich are indeterminate. Then there's the choice between hybrids and heirlooms. Hybrids are bred for disease resistance and reliability, which is reassuring when you're starting out. Heirlooms are the old, open-pollinated varieties prized for incredible flavor and history, though they can be a little fussier. My honest advice for your first season is to grow a couple of each. Pick one easygoing hybrid cherry tomato, because cherries are almost impossible to fail with, and they'll keep you motivated, and then one larger variety that simply sounds delicious to you. Match it to your space. If all you've got is a balcony, lean compact and determinate. If you've got a full bed in a trellis, an indeterminate will run wild for you. Once you've got your varieties picked and your packets in hand, the clock starts, because the next thing that matters more than almost anything else is timing, and that's where we're headed.